Hello, my crafty friends. It's Michelle, the Southern Shell, and it is time for another Roll and Create. And this is how we let the dice decide what we're creating. This little hop is created by Latosha at Mixed Media Art Journal, and I will leave her channel in my description box below. And if you'd like to join us either on YouTube or privately, just message us and we'll send you the information. Hello, my crafty friends. It's time for another Roll and Create with Latosha. And we are going to roll the dice and get our creative juices flowing by letting the dice tell us what we're going to create for our mixed media spread today. So let's go. Okay, we have cardboard. Abstract shape is my challenge. Collage papers, stickers, and ephemera. Wow. Okay, so this is my background. This is, oh, that's a challenge too. And then this is my element. Stickers or ephemera, abstract shape, and cardboard. Whew. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have this ephemera book, and this is going to help take care of my collage papers, my stickers, and ephemera. So this has 32 sheets of stickers and 20 sheets of scrapbook paper. So I'm going to use this, and let me get, this is going to be fun, the cardboard and the abstract with, yeah, we got this. Okay, so I have this mixed media book, and I'm going to start putting the Roll and Create in this mixed media book as long as I can. I'll probably decorate the cover and so forth, but that way I have a book that I'm doing just the Roll and Create inspiration in. And this is a nice thick book. I got it at Walmart, 60 pages, and I think this is going to be just fun. I also went ahead and grabbed two paper towel cardboard rolls and a spaghetti box. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, it's Michelle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and if you can, hype. It really does help my channel. So if you like what you're seeing, think about following me on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You can check out these QR codes here. If you'd like to support my channel, you can join my YouTube or you can subscribe for free. You can also buy me a coffee, which helps support my channel as well.
And there you have it, my sweet friends. I am done. I was going to put a label on there and it had this butterfly, but it wasn't, I should have layered it a little different, and so I took the butterfly off and placed it on there because I just love the butterflies on this. Thank you, Tasha, for doing this each week. I really do love it. If you guys want to join, just reach out and we will get you added to her list or her group on Instagram, or you can play along at home. Just reach out to me and I'll get you the list of what the dice are, and that way you can do your own at home with us. Guys, thank you so much for joining. If you've not subscribed, I hope you consider doing so now, hitting that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification and YouTube should notify you when my next video has gone live. As always, guys, stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.